Nothing said in this video is financial advice. Hello everybody, I'm the Investment Hunter and welcome to the Investment Hunter channel. Here I will be producing content based on what I think will be good long-term investments for my investment portfolio. I'm not in this to get rich quick and I don't do any day trading right now. May do in the future. But long-term investing is what I'm all about. And that's because I'm looking for investments with the largest percentage gains, minimizing my risk and not missing out on opportunity by panic selling and not being able to buy back in at lower prices. And I'll show you an example of what I mean in a moment. Just to give you a bit of backstory about myself, I first got into investing back in 2018 when I made my first investment in the cryptocurrency market, which taught me so much, a lot, relatively quickly. So now I invest based on a set of rules, and to help you understand when I take an investment position, these are the rules that I will be following. Rule number one is only invest in what I can after all my financial priorities are taken care of. So I'll not be making an investment as in a rushed or panicked fear of missing out scenario. My priority is to make sure that my bills are paid, I'll still have some money in the bank for emergencies, and if I've got a spare bob or two, fine, I'll take an investment. Rule number two is look for prices that have at least 60 to 70% price drops from their all-time highs. Rule number three is invest small amounts as I work out what the market is doing. Rule number four is invest in the highest percentage gain stocks first. So for example, if I have two stocks and one has a potential of a 300% price gain to the all-time high, and another has a 600% price gain to the all-time high, I'll be investing in the stock with the 600% first, after doing more technical and fundamental analysis first, of course. Then rule number five is don't panic sell. Price corrections are a part of the journey to the top. So as the prices go up, I have to prepare myself at certain levels where I'll expect prices to drop just through what the market should be doing or how it feels it's doing at that particular time. That could mean a correction of 10% or 20% or 30% in the crypto market. I had something like, I think it was a 60% drop or somewhere near on the worst week. And to see profits or initial investments drop by 60% was very, very scary. But we held through it and didn't waver. And we've got through it. And now it's all about following those rules as we make our investments going forward. So a little bit earlier I said I would give a comparison of two stocks that have different price potential gains to the original all-time highs. On the screen I've actually got the eToro ProCharts platform on the screen. If you'd like to visit eToro, you could use the affiliate link in the description below, or alternatively you can just simply type in eToro.com and you'll be able to find the site there that way. You don't have to use the link if you don't want to. So I'll do the measure of the current price for Rolls-Royce, which is on the left, and we'll also do a measure of British Leyland on the right. So I'll give you an idea of how I work out which stock has the greatest potential gains back to its all-time high price and possibly a bit further. So we'll do the Rolls-Royce chart first. This is actually on the weekly time frame, not the daily. Just a little bit easier for me to measure this out. So we'll get the measuring tool on the screen, come down the bottom here. Current price is 104 pence. So let's try and get that somewhere near. That's at 103, that'll do. And if we go right the way up to the all-time high price, approximately 1,275 pence, that is a potential price increase of 1,142%. Strange enough, I did actually buy some Rolls-Royce positions earlier on this week. 103 pence, I think it was, one at 105. I think I might have got a couple in actually at 104 as well. Now we'll go across to the British Leyland chart and we'll do the exact same thing to see what the potential price gain is on British Leyland. Just move that in the middle there. Get the measuring tool again, and looking at the current price of 517 pence. That's actually going to 515, but that'll do. And we do the same measure again up to the all-time high of 889 pence. That is only a percentage gain of 73%. So between the two stocks, we could either get over 1,000% or only 73%. That's a no-brainer. You would invest your money in the one with 1,000% gains. At least that's my no-brainer. My no-brainer for me. You got to remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not suggesting you should go and buy a stock or any investment based on anything I say. This is just for me. This is me comparing two charts and actually analysing if I was to put £100 in Rolls-Royce and let it ride to the all-time high, assuming it ever gets there, I would get over 1,000% increase. My £100 would turn to £1,000 plus. If I put £100 into British Leyland right now, all I would get is less than 100%. I would end up with £173. Yeah, that's a no-brainer to me. I would definitely put my money into Rolls-Royce. Well, that's it for my first video here on the Investment Hunter channel. I thought I would keep this video short and sweet. Just a quick intro of myself, what the Investment Hunter channel is all about, and how I make my investment decisions. Please remember, nothing I say is investment advice, and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I would really like to hear your comments, so please leave them below. But for now, have a good time investment hunting, and I'll see you in the next video.